Robots, presentation. Robot ways the plastics industry uses robots. There are many great robot requests that you can send to a plastics organization. Indeed, the majority of the requests that we notice somewhere else in this presentation are similarly as appropriate to plastics as they are to some other industry. Robot advantages. They increase output. They're more accurate than humans. They make fewer mistakes. They cut down on waste. They're more reliable than humans. They can work 24/7. They save time. They don't complain. What plastic is used for robots? Depending on the robot's weight and on the essential insurance from shock and impact, acrylic may be suitable for low-stress fundamental parts. For instance, robot bodies. Polycarbonate is more grounded than acrylic, and PVC plastic is easy to process. Acetyl pitch, a planning plastic, is both thick and strong. How are robots used in business and industry? Creating robots handles tasks like welding, getting together, and pick and spot exercises with more significant speed and capability than human workers may ever want to achieve. Current robots, moreover, decline the risk of workplace incidents and assurance more than quality. How do robots impact businesses? Robots are more accurate and powerful than individuals. Clinical and current goofs can be almost killed with the use of robots. By using robots, businesses can see tremendous savings in reserves and make monetarily changes to occupations that may take individuals days to wrap up. Robots can do extraordinary things. The benefits of robotics in the plastic processing industry. Robots have been around for a long time and have been gaining progress for makers as far as speed, effectiveness, and well-being. In recent years, new discoveries on efficiency and design developments have increased the popularity of mechanical technology, making robots valuable office partners. Cartesian or straight robots, shaft robots, have been used in the plastic business for a really long time. However, presently, even 6-hub robots are being used on a wide scale. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.